Did Temu deliver something less than amazing? Let's break down how to get your money back, step by step. First, open the Temu app and tap on You at the bottom center of the screen. This is your personal hub. Next, find your orders. This section lists everything you've purchased. Tap on it. Locate the specific order containing the item you want to return or get a refund for. Then, tap the Request Refund button. If you don't see it right away, it might say Track first. Click on Track, then Request Refund. Now, select the reason for your refund request. Be as accurate and detailed as possible. This helps Temu understand the issue. Options will include things like item damaged, wrong item, or not as described. If the item is damaged or not as described, you'll be prompted to upload photos or videos showing the issue. Clear visuals will greatly improve your chances of a successful refund. Next, you will see Temu's proposed solution. You will usually have the option of a partial refund or return the item for a full refund. If you're happy with a partial refund, you can select that. Finally, review all the information you've provided. If everything looks correct, tap Submit, and you're done. Temu will review your request and get back to you with a decision.